Hi, my name is Lee Thurburn, and I want to introduce you to Xbot77, which is a powerful AI agent building system along with workflow automation, integrated CRM, and email communications. So Xbot77 is designed to help a small business automate processes and create an agent that can help with tech support in sales and other activities, internal process support for businesses. It's a powerful system, and what I want to do is in this video show you in about 3 minutes how you can set up an account and out of the box have a useful workflow automation and AI agent that you can put on your website and begin automating processes and helping automate your customer interactions. So go to Xbot77, click on the sign up link, put in your phone number as well as an email address and a password and click sign up. Now, the next thing that'll happen is you will receive a verification code by text, 935557. 935557. Click verify. And in about 3 or 4 seconds, the system will have created an account for you and you'll land on the welcome page. Now, the welcome page has a couple of things that are worth noting. First of all, at the top, you see a banner section that says, "Welcome to Xbot. You have been awarded 500,000 tokens." What are tokens, you would reasonably ask? Well, they are the way that we track your usage of the system. AI agent systems use tokens as a way of tracking how much resources are needed to answer questions. We use tokens for the same purpose. 500,000 tokens is enough for you to use the technology for anywhere between 2 weeks and 2 months as you're building your system out, as you're training your agent, as you're beginning to use the workflow to collect information from people that are on your website. Below that, you'll see 2 columns, a blue column for workflow automation and a green column for your AI agent. Let's start with workflow automation. So you're going to see a form here that is an example of a form that could be put on your website. There's code at the bottom I'll show you in a second, but this form is designed in this particular case when you fill it out as a test. Because you've created an account, you're going to get an email with the information from the form and whatever email you use as the contact filling the form out, an email will be sent to you verifying that your information has been received and somebody will reach out to you immediately. So I'm going to type in James Bond. I am Bond, James Bond. I'm going to click submit. And then I'm going to come up and I'm either going to click on this View Contacts button or just come up and click on the Contacts button at the top. And you'll see the data has already been entered into the CRM. Now, if you fill this form out, give it a little test, you'll see that you'll receive an email very quickly with the contact information, and you'll also receive an email validating that your information has been sent and received. Now, on this contacts page over on the right hand side is a little view icon. Click there and you'll see James Bond's information. So you can type a note, click add comment, and it'll add that comment to a comment thread so that you can take notes if you're making a sales call, follow-up call, that sort of thing. Full featured, very powerful CRM system with workflow automation. Now I could click the back button, but I'm just going to click on account and then welcome to Xbot77, and we're back on the welcome page. Now I'm going to focus attention on the right hand side, which is the agent side. So you can chat with the agent or you can click buttons, and of course you can define these buttons for yourself. I'm going to say click on what can you help visitors with. So this might be the kind of question that somebody would ask or you would ask of an agent. So I'll click on that button and we get an answer. I help your website visitors get answers, find the right information, and take action instantly. So there are several buttons that you can click on there, or you can just come down and type something like have someone contact me. So now I'm going to prompt, and I send a prompt, and because I've asked the agent to have somebody contact me, it's going to respond with, well, who are you? Let's get a form and have you fill out the form. So here we go. Now this is an AI-powered workflow process, just like the workflow automation process, but it's just got a different sort of engine behind it. So here we'll type James Dean, and I'm going to click submit, and in a couple of seconds it'll say your information has been collected or received, thank you. And now that data also is going into the CRM system. Now, agents and workflows work a little differently. The agent system takes about a minute for the data to flow into your CRM. There's reasons for that, and we'll talk about that in another video. But what I want to focus your attention on now is at the bottom of each column, there is embed code. On the left, there's embed code for the workflow automation, and on the right, there's embed code for the widget, the agent widget. You can put this code on your website, and you'll either have an agent that can help answer questions, or you'll have a workflow process that starts on a particular page. When you put your agent code on the website, notice this little button in the bottom right-hand corner. If I click on that, that launches my tech support agent for Xbot77. And, if you want to ask questions, if you need help using Xbot77, this is a great place to start. Of course, there is also up at the top a support button you can click on and send us a support question, and we'll be glad to help. So in just a couple of minutes, you created an account, you created a workflow automation process, and you created default created for you as an agent. You've had a chance to experiment with them. Training these things and deploying these things is extremely easy. That's actually going to be the subject of the next video. So create an account, get started, play with the system, and let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. Bye.